Welcome back to another video here at Joe Daddy's Workshop. In my previous video I talked about the cameras that I bought, the Osmo Pocket and the GoPro Hero 7. And my plan is to use those for obviously making videos and also for the trip I'm going to take to SEMA next week. My concern with the trip though is running out of battery power because I don't know what my access will be as far as charging my cameras or my batteries, and I don't want to be caught with a dead camera. So I decided to order, and I received today one of these. Now this is a power pack or a power cell, power bank, whatever word you want to use, and this is from Ravpower, and I ordered this off of Amazon. Now I will say all the reviews on this have come back positive. I didn't see any negatives about this power bank. So I ordered one, and this one is about $39 or $40, and I'm going to open it up and show you what you get inside and talk a little bit about this particular power bank. So let's have a look in the box. Again, this is from Ravpower, and I'll post a link to it on my description from my Amazon page. You can see the logo there, R and a P mixed together. And this one is 22,000 milliamp, and it has 3 ports for charging. Now, according to their information on their page, on the description for this power bank will charge an iPhone 4.9 times, and it will charge a Galaxy S8 4.4 times. And it'll charge other devices as well. You'll have to, kind of, your results may vary, I assume. But it looks like you've got a little instructional sheet which gives you your breakdown of, charging, which is pretty simple. And I'm sure there's some stuff that comes in this little box on the right here. And then this is a registration pamphlet, and it has one of those scannable codes on the back. This device will charge. You can charge this up on its own in 10 to 11 hours. It takes to fully charge this. And it has, let me open up the box and we'll have a look at it. There we go. Now it is slightly bigger, obviously, than a phone. Pretty nice. If I compare that to my iPhone 6s, or 7, iPhone 7, it's just about an inch longer with the case. It's a little size comparison there. So if I, let's see, it's got a little switch on the side here. So if I push that, it's going to show me indicator lights. And that's going to show me how much power this has or what level it's at as far as charging. And it's already got 3 lights on it. Kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can get that up close. Hit the little switch on the side. There you go. You can see 3 lights. And you can also see there's 3 ports. And on the side is where you connect your charger. So you can see that. Nice little package. Not very heavy. A bit heavier than a phone, obviously. But then again, it is a battery. Now, we'll open up the other box here and see what's in that. You should have a carrying pouch. Well, that's it. The other stuff must be inside. There it is. So it has 2 charging cables. One is shorter than the other. It's only about maybe 8-9 inches long, something like that. And then a longer one. And that one's probably maybe close to 2 feet. So you have power cords that are 2 different lengths. I guess it just is a matter of convenience. If you need a longer one to reach something or a shorter one to save space, but they're nice enough to provide you with 2. I will be using this to power up or recharge my GoPro Hero, the new Osmo, and maybe even my iPhone if I need to. So I'm going to get this charged up, and they give you this nice little carry pouch as well, and it looks like Yeah, fits in nice. And then you have a location out front for your charging cables. If I can get them figured out and really in a relaxed state. So there we go. 2 charging cables. And of course your cinch. That's pretty nice. And like I said, it tells you in the information that it has a lifetime warranty card. I assume you have to obviously register it and let them know that you own one of these. So keep that in mind if you decide to buy one. I will try to do another follow-up on this whenever I return from my trip and tell you how good or bad it was. But like I said, all the reviews on this have come back positive. That's why I chose this one. You can get smaller ones, you can get bigger ones, different milliamps, but I think this is going to serve my purposes. So I think that's it. So as I say always, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And until next time, take care of yourselves.